Okay, so the furnace operates right behind you. That's what operates the air conditioner as well. So when you're plugged into power, you can just go to cool, turn it down to 55 and set your fan speed on high or low. When we go over here to auto, high or low, then we can set it at 65, 70 and have it cycle off and on. But when you're in the on side, it'll just continue to run.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's cool, and then there's fan only. So now we're just moving air. Good to use when the windows steam up, you know, in the fall and that type of thing. So all the air goes in these two vented spaces and comes out here and here. Or if these are off, you're going to push it out into these further.
Oh, okay.
Right? So, you know, if let's turn this back on. We're sitting here, we can open this one up.
Oh, yeah.
And turn it down that way. Okay?
Okay.
And I believe there's one in the bathroom. If not, yeah, right there.
Yep.
So these are your two filters up here.
Yep.
Okay? Those last forever. So vacuum them out or take them out and clean them and pop them back up in. These are the only filters in the whole trailer. Here and here. I think we'll just leave that on for a bit, but I will show you the furnace so you at least can hear it for a second. There's off, of course. Then we have heat. Turn it up. Disregard this. This has nothing to do with the furnace. The furnace has one speed, and that's what you hear. So that's where, correct. Or, yes, just for air conditioning. So behind you is the return. No filter there, just air in, and then the heat comes out all these. There's one in the bedroom and the bathroom too.
Okay.
So people with propane furnaces also like to carry electric space heaters to save propane. The furnace and the water heater are the two biggest consumers of propane. This doesn't take a whole lot.
Yeah.
Neither does this. The furnace does. So, you know, you always think about that. If you're plugged in, why not break out your little space heater you bought? Set it down and heat the whole place with that. Save propane. So you have 14 gallons of propane. Most people average somewhere about a gallon a day. Maybe more in the winter. But by using a space heater, that saves propane. Using the water heater on electric saves propane. So, you know, there's a few things you can do.
Okay.
So we're already starting to heat up, aren't
Yeah.
we? Let's turn this back the other way. So when you turn off the furnace, it has to cycle off. It takes a couple minutes, just so you know, okay?